Is the dust harmful after a renovation?
Yes, and this is one of the most underestimated risks of post-renovation living. Builder's dust often contains fine particles of silica, wood, plaster, adhesives, and even toxic compounds like lead or VOCs from paint. These particles can remain airborne for weeks, settling on floors and furniture, bedding and soft furnishings, inside cupboards and drawers, air vents and ducts. Breathing in this dust can irritate lungs, trigger allergies, and pose serious risks for babies and toddlers, people with asthma or respiratory issues, pets and older adults. That's why we use HEPA-filtered vacuums and hospital-grade microfiber systems to trap and remove the finest dust, not just shift it around. Our cleaning process doesn't just make your home look clean, it makes it safe to live in again.